Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel, Wagwan Tours. We're in the lovely Kalamaki and I'm going to take a walk along the strip, so let's see Wagwan. You all know the vibe. So yeah, we just had breakfast at the airport tavern, so that was really nice. So if you want to check that video out, go to the channel depending on the order. I'm just going to take a nice walk along the Kalamaki Strip. And then we're probably going to go to the beach later on today, so do check that out if you want to see our beach and see what the beaches are like for this part of Zante. Yeah, we've had a really nice trip. It's been very relaxed and chaotic at the same time. So we've had a nice mix. So I would say Sylvie was really chilled, wasn't it? So if you want to check out those videos. And then we was also here for a festival, Zakynthos, so if you want to check that out. That was obviously a little bit more chaotic. And then today we're hoping for a little bit more of sort of like a chilled out day in the lovely Kalamaki. So yeah, we've managed to sort of see everyone as well. It's always one of those things when you come to sort of places you've been before. It's really nice that you make friends and everything. So sort of trying to catch up with people we've met previously, making new friends, and obviously just getting in that rest time. And trying to see some new places as well, which is also really good. Yeah, a really good time. If you've been following the channel, thank you so much. We really do appreciate it. It really does help. And we obviously started off way back when, seems like a lifetime ago, in Turkey. So if you do want to see that, and then we obviously took our way over to Greece, Rhodes to Athens, and then we ended up here in the lovely Zante. So if you do want to follow the whole journey, get yourself subscribed, make sure you're hyping, liking and sharing and following the full Wagwan and become part of the family. So this is quite a nice strip. You can walk all the way. It's got two sides to it, lots of bars and restaurants. I'm not going to bore you too much with all the names and everything. We have got videos out on the strip and I've done one earlier, so if you want to have a little bit more of an in-depth, check out the channel and the playlist, and we've got everything on there. But yeah, we just come from the airport tavern, so if you like your plane spotting, that is the place to be. Hello, Mira. So yeah, check that out. Get to see all the flights coming in, everyone coming on their holidays and going away. Lovely day. So yeah, looking forward to going to the beach. Got a nice little water park in the distance there. Don't know if you guys can see. But yeah, do check out all the stuff that you can do in the area. And again, Zante is not a massive island, so even if you are staying in this area, it's quite easy to travel around and go to different parts if you do want to check out different parts of the island. Morning. And see what there is. So like I said, we've started at Sylvie. We stayed at Zakynthos as well, which is probably a little bit more of the party side. And then we're ending our holiday in Kalamaki. And weather-wise, really nice. It's going to start getting busy now. So if you've always thought, do I want to go to Zante? I would definitely say yes. It's definitely worth a trip. If you've done the Greek islands and you like the vibe, you like what the Greek islands have to offer, and you haven't done Zante, I would definitely recommend putting this one on your list. Taking a few days away and checking it out. There's gluten-free in that one. Definitely worth a visit. Looking forward to getting back though, seeing our doggies, seeing our family and everything. It's one thing about a trip, it's great being out, but then it is nice to sort of touch base. And then you get home and after 2 days you're ready to pack your suitcase and go back again. So don't forget to put in the comments below, where would you like to see Wagwan go next? Is there any places that you're going that you're excited about? Drop it in the comments and we'll see if we can make it happen. Or if we're already going there, who knows? Got lots coming up, so make sure you stay tuned for all the excitement that Wagwan has for this summer. Can't believe we're already in there, well, basically done with halfway through the year, which is absolutely insane. Summer is starting to kick off. It's our favourite, that's our favourite time of the year. But we are looking at some winter destinations as well, so again, if there's anywhere you like to go if you're not someone who wants that heat. We did meet some different people from like Sweden and different areas this holiday, so it sort of made us think, oh, different parts of the Europe that we need to put on our list. Amsterdam, different places like that, Budapest, even Germany, Cologne, there's another sort of festival there, which is to do with sort of the music and stuff we enjoy. So yeah, lots to sort of look forward to and kind of think about. So yeah, if you guys got any festivals booked, or you're just going away in the UK and you want to let us know where you're going for your staycation, because again, we do locations in the UK as well. We do want to try and sort of broaden to Wales and Ireland and Scotland. So yeah, let us know where are you going, what are you doing, and who are you doing it with. What are you most excited about this year? So as you can see, it's quite a nice little walk. We pass quite a lot of shops, restaurants, bars. There's a lot of sort of like pool bars as well. So if it is really hot like it is today and you want to just sit and have a dip, you can do that. Or you've got the beach just behind as well, so we're going to go to that later. So we're just doing the main actual like street bit now, the main strip. But the beach is just there. So it really is a stone's throw. So if you are staying in this part, it's very easy to get to the beach and have a nice day out. And Kalamaki beaches are lovely. And you can do a long walk all the way to Laganas as well. Nice big one over there. Nice big restaurant. And this one, again, because we obviously just started the walk from the airport to Haven, is very close to the airport as well. So if you're not really wanting a huge commute or anything, this one's really easy compared to where we started the journey for this little mega trip. It was about an hour and a half from Dalaman to Marmaris where we started the journey. So if you do want to check that out, we did do a transfer. So we've got a transfer video as well if you want to see how we did that. Different ways of getting to the airport, to your resort. So all that information. So again, any questions, do drop it below. We do try to get back to everyone as quickly and promptly as possible. And again, if we can't answer it, hopefully there's someone in the Wildground family that can help you out and give you that necessary information. So we're here to support one another. So yeah, you can go all the way down. Let's keep going. There's lovely mountains in the background as well. You can actually do some tours up there as well. There's like caves and stuff and some cute little unique restaurants all the way at the top. So again, just go to any of the tourist information, all the bookings, and they'll give you all the information of what you can do, whether you want to get a boat out, take a quad, go for a tour, go to a vineyard.
Here is the pub we're looking for.
Ah, this is the pub. It's called the Rose and Crown Pub. So yeah, there's also like wine vineyards. We were at Dan's bar yesterday, so that's Dan's World, Lucky's, and he had some wine from a vineyard that some of his YouTubers had gone to. And that was absolutely lovely. So that's up your street. Then there's lots you can do. There's also like Turtle Beach, Banana Beach, and a few other little hidden gems. Port Roma I'd recommend. Nice little day trip out there. And then one of my favourites as well is Nicky's Beach, St Nicholas Beach. That's got a lovely beach bar and the ocean there. I mean, the waters here are beautiful anyway, but honestly stunning. If you do want to check any of this out, again, do check the channel. It's all on there. But we've been to Zante so many times, it's hard to fit everything in. And every time we come, we try to do a little bit more. But yeah, there's some real beautiful areas to check out. When you're here with your family or if you're solo travelling, we meet so many solo travellers, so do not let that put you off. You'll always make a friend. It's very friendly here, service is great, and most of the resorts will treat you really well, so do not be hesitant. Book the flight, get yourself out here. It really will be worthwhile. And like I said, we're getting into that time of year, the weather is just getting absolutely scorching. Ocean's nice and warm. Went for a lovely swim yesterday, so we had a boat ride. and that was absolutely gorgeous. So yeah, and the water was so clear. Swam all the way to like, I think it was in Kerry's Cave, might be wrong, but in that little area, and then swam into like the little beach bit that's there. And that was really, really nice. And then just chilled out, swam back to the boat, had some bevies, and then yeah, sailed around. And you got Como Island as well. That's on Laganas. That's a really nice little day out. I think it's €5. Take the walk over the bridge, have a nice drink, little walk around there, and then you can come back. So yeah, loads of little things that you can do whilst you're here, and everything from Kalamaki is relatively close as well. Very, very close. Yeah, all those lovely scenery. Getting a bit of a breeze now. So I'm not sure how long this walk's taken us. I'll have a look at the end. But yeah, it's a really nice chilled walk. Not long at all. Friends bar for point of where we are. Games night, so we go do all the quizzes and everything. Got your salons. So yeah, it's actually like a really, really long walk, but a lot to do in between. I know people like that. It's nothing worse getting something there's like absolutely nothing, and then some people want that. So when we stay up sort of by Zakynthos beach and stuff, there's like one shop, a few little coffee bars. So yeah, it really is sort of, you've got to have a vehicle there, or sort of, you know, if you're happy to ride your bike and everything. But yeah, it is definitely off the beaten track. But if you want something that's got everything on your doorstep, in Kalamaki, as you covered. Nice one there, the pretty chairs. And just coming to sort of, I guess, towards the end now of this strip. I can't tell you how many bars and restaurants there is, but there's plenty of them. The restaurants along here will be open sort of for evening time, and some are open all day, so make sure you do check that out when you're making your plans. Best thing to do, just have a look online and it'll let you know if it's open or not. Like I said, you can just take a walk along, and if the place you don't want to go to is open, there's plenty of others, or do want to go to, sorry. Get my words out. Got Sophie's Chill Out Bar. Yeah, lovely. Look at that. At the top, you've got your sun lounges, and then it's also got a pool that you can use as well, and that is open to all. So you don't have to just be staying at this one to use it. So that's Sophia's, really nice. And then you've got Costa's as well. And that one's just down there. And that one also has an open pool, and they also do a Greek night. So if you do want a traditional Greek night, they set the pool on fire, and it's quite a big show actually. So yeah, if that's something you're interested to do, then again, book. Make sure you book, because they do get quite full, so don't get yourself disappointed. But yeah, very easy to do. You can just pop in, give them a call, or sort of Facebook, socials, all the rest of it, and get yourself down there for a traditional Greek night. And then we're just coming up to the end now. So our hotel's actually just around the corner from Melon Bar. If you do want to check out Melon Bar, highly recommend it. Absolutely fantastic. Claude's always on top form. Great cocktails. Got a massive watermelon you can share as a group or have on your own. Doesn't matter. But yeah, so if you do want to check out more on that, we have got a dedicated video on the channel. Always a great time at Claude's. Melon Bar. And then yeah, I'm just getting right to the end now. I'm going to stop off at this last restaurant just past the supermarket. So don't forget to like, share, comment, hype. If you know anyone that's coming out to Zante, like Zante. If you're thinking about Zante, this is the video for you. This has been Kalamaki walking along the strip. We've come from the airport tavern, which actually shows you all the planes. It's very good for plane spotting. Right, I'm gonna love you and leave you. See you guys on the next one.